Jasmy by and large acquired roughly 4.08% inside the especially truly most recent 24 hours in a fundamentally kind of significant manner. The EMA 50 essentially is right now at $0.007 or so they for the most part in a real sense thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin certainly is drifting at $87,003,429, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin sort of is floating at $87,003,429 in an especially enormous manner in a significant way. Jasmy explicitly fundamentally has its by and large next obstruction at $0.006, which for the most part by and large is very critical, or so they truly thought. 06 January 2024, in this article we will basically walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for the following week and attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what generally is momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, for the most part, is Jasmy a very wise venture, which sort of is very huge. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so forth in a fundamentally significant manner. However, prior to plunging certainly profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, generally certainly let us in every way that really matters, discuss the truly current economic situations, which certainly is genuinely critical. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole cryptographic money market to $1,643,998,096,525, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. The genuinely complete exchanging volume by and large generally remains at $58,832,899,756, or so they in every way that really matters, truly thought. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters basically has a strength of 16.33%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge, which in a real sense is very critical. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, which basically is very huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a value reduction of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours in an especially huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time period, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, or so they especially thought. Sold the genuinely local coin of Solana entirely is somewhere around 6.74 and at present exchanging at $94.12 in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. Moreover, XRP came to 57 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.69% in esteem, which sort of shows that Sol the sort of local coin of Solana basically for the most part is somewhere around 6.74 and presently exchanging at $94.12. Which really is very critical, or so they thought. These occasions in every practical sense basically demonstrate that the market fundamentally basically is going in a kind of descending heading for sort of present moment, which certainly most certainly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span. Showing how which generally basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, or so they very thought. Right now, a very broad essentially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how furthermore, XRP came to 57 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.69% in esteem, which fundamentally certainly shows that Sol the fundamentally local coin of Solana generally is somewhere near 6.74 and as of now exchanging at $94.12, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized markers used to for the most part distinguish in every way that really matters, sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which generally basically is genuinely critical. Support basically is a level at which purchasers basically become certainly more truly dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, actually quite in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unobtrusive way. Similarly, obstruction most certainly is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move reasonably most certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, especially further appearance how Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin, Jasmy coin execution. The sort of current Jasmy coin cost really is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 and the by and large beyond 24 hours, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Right now, Jasmy in every practical sense really is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, which shows that Jasmy especially has its in every practical sense next obstruction at $0.006 in an unobtrusive way, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin value examination Jasmy cost investigation for 06 January 2024 inside a by and large beautiful everyday time span in every way that really matters, made sense of beneath in a truly all things considered, enormous way, or so they thought. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal union and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to especially by and large examine the future development of the Jasmy coin. Showing how Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on in a fundamentally significant manner, or so they thought. The MACD line certainly for the most part is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, which truly is genuinely critical, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin financial backers need to especially hang tight for any directional change over the kind of everyday diagram, or so they for the most part thought. The genuinely relative strength file, RSI, for Jasmy coin sort of is as of now drifting at 19 for 14 days especially normal line, which explicitly truly implies Jasmy certainly is in oversold zone, and a pattern pretty inversion most certainly is conceivable. Especially further appearance how Jasmy coin value examination Jasmy cost examination for 06 January 2024, inside an especially everyday time period all things considered, made sense of underneath, which explicitly is genuinely critical. While Jasmy's Williams %R pointer for the most part explicitly is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, especially signal especially is exceptionally conceivable at this reach. Exhibiting that Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally by and large are significant specialized markers used to basically recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of significant manner. Ends as per our specialized examination in